Hey, Fort Worth, do you have a bold idea? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And we've dedicated this page to you in Innovation City here at Fort Worth. This is a major hub, as you know, for aerospace, aviation, defense innovation. This capital of Texas for innovation, $250 million in R&D money was just put into this city for R&D, for driving new tech, new systems, and innovation. We helped inventors here for years. We've been doing patent law virtually through video representation for over 12 years. And this city in Fort Worth, we've got tons of clients here. So let us help you. Start out by booking a free discovery call below. Take a look at our page here. Look at what we're able to do with patent searching, application drafting, office action responses, and infringement concerns, if that's something you need help with. So let us take your hand. Let us lift you up out of the unknown, educate you, inform you, and be by your side as you protect what's important. All right, buddy, go big, go bold.